Good afternoon to honorable audience, judges and all the teachers. Assalamu alaikum. Genghis Khan, he was the ruler of Mongol Empire. Tutmos, he was the ruler of Egyptian Empire. Darius, he was the ruler of the Persian Empire. Alexander, he was the ruler of the Macedonia Empire. Napoleon, he was a ruler of the Roman Empire. Papianus, he was a ruler of the French Empire. Julius, he was a ruler of Republic of Roman Empire. Attila, he was a ruler of the Republic of Chinese Empire. Sheng, he was a ruler of the Chinese Empire. Charles, he was a ruler of the Frankish Empire. Hunnic, he was a ruler of the Rurik Empire. And from amongst the companions, there was a soldier, there was a commander, there was a conqueror. He crushed the superpowers of his time. He crushed the Persian Empire. He crushed the Romans. He conquered Iraq. He conquered Iran. He conquered Romania. He conquered Jordan. He became the conqueror of Syria. Allahu Akbar. He conquered Iran. The undefeated commander, the undefeated ruler, the undefeated warrior, the sword from the sword of Allah Azza wa Jalla. This is Khalid Bin Waleed radiallahu anh. That opens the books of history, and you will come to an understanding that many of gangsters, mafias, mobsters, rulers, commanders, generals, warriors, fighters have come and gone. Some, they were known for the plans of attack. Some, they were known for the ploy. Some, they were known for the tactics. Some, they were known for their fortitude. Some, they were known for their courage. And from amongst the companions, there was a companion that the Prophet ﷺ said, the one who has favored me the most with his wealth, with his company, is Abu Bakr radiallahu anh. And if I was to take a friend other than my Lord, I would have taken Abu Bakr as such. Ali radiallahu anh said, and the best of people after the Prophet ﷺ is Abu Bakr radiallahu anh. And there was another companion that the Prophet ﷺ said, if there would be a prophet after me, if it would have been Umar radiallahu anh. The Prophet said, O son of Khattab, I swear by the hands whose life lies in, you do not walk on a path except the Satan sees you and it changes the direction other than yours. Ali radiallahu anh said, and the best of people after the Prophet and Abu Bakr is Umar radiallahu anh. I asked, who was your leader? Who was your commander? Who was your general? It was none other the chosen one, the noble one, the forgiven one, the bearer and glad tidings, the seal of all prophets, the imam of all prophets, the leader of the companions, the messenger Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam. And from amongst the companions, there was a soldier, there was a commander, there was a general, there was a conqueror, there was a man that's equal to 1 billion men. He crushed the superpowers of his time. He crushed the Persian Empire. He crushed the Romans. Allahu Akbar. He conquered Iraq. He conquered Iran. He conquered Iraq. He conquered Romania. He conquered Jordan. He conquered Syria. The undefeated commander, the undefeated ruler, the undefeated warrior, the sword from the sword of Allah Azza wa Jal. Dear audience, as we know, Sultan Salahuddin Ayyubi, he was most famous in medieval Europe for capturing Jerusalem from the Crusaders and then successfully defending the cities from the Third Crusade. And now we want people like Sultan Salahuddin, as he conquered the northern Mesopotamia, Egypt, Palestine, through this diplomacy warfare and appealed to religion. Salahuddin destroyed the army of Lydian kingdom of Jerusalem at Hajj in 1188. He did what he had to do. Now this is our time to do something for the Palestinians. Dear listeners, according to the fragile period, it will be a high priority that if you participate in this holy war. But if you can't do this, just collaborate with the donation. Give your collaborative weapons. Send foods for the wounded peoples. Food is stuff for them. But for immediate reaction, first boycott all the Israelis products. And if you can't play a part on it, just speak every words. Raise your voice for the humanity, for the Palestinians. I'm a reminder, Muslim, that Palestinians do indeed exist. And mere existence has disposed the status quo. They are Muslims, they are Palestinians, they are allowed to live life according to the Islam, according to the teaching of Quran. Maimuna bin Sa'd radiallahu anha said that she asked Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, O Messenger of Allah, tell us the legal injunction about visiting the Bayt al-Maqdis. The Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam said, go and pray there. All the cities were affected by the war. He said, go and pray there. And if you can't go and pray there, send oil to be used in the lamps. The audience, now we can stand silent until we are live. Lastly, my Palestinian Muslims, I'm standing here just because of you. Thanks to all of you.